Okay, my families and friends, you know it's your favorite Rasta man on the YouTube. And I know there's always news being reported or there are commentators commentating. Well, I man, I give you the news from a Rasta man perspective. Because right now I'm a little bit perturbed. I'm a little bit teed off, to tell you the truth. Because after I'm a big up Jamaica and all the Haitians that just forward through. And I say, yo, welcome to the beautiful island of Jamaica. We are happy and proud to assist you. It appears that Jamaica is preparing to send back my brother and sister Haitians them back in a the desolate place called Haiti right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here reporting live. Jamaica prepared to send back 29 Haitians who arrive by boat. As Jamaica Passport Immigration and Citizenship agents are making arrangement for the 29 Haitians who arrived in the island by boat just over a week ago to return to their home country. The Haitians who were charged with illegal entry being held ashore at Boston Beach, Portland, were residing on a vessel. Now, these residents spot them coming July 10th, where they were placed under arrest at the Portland Parish Court. Now, they appear Tuesday. The Caribbean neighbors, 24 men and 5 women, were jointly fined after they appeared before the court. Their fine was 7,000 Jamaican, or 3 days of hard labor each. Arrangements are being made by passport immigration and citizenship agents to have these migrants, my brother and my sisters, them where I go through all kind of turmoil, over in Haiti, to return back to this desolate place. The Haitians, who numbered 37, were there arrived in Jamaica on July 10th, 1:40 p.m., are believed to have embarked on their journey from Germain, Haiti, approximately 14 days before. Take the people them 14 days to reach Jamaica, and quick, we are send them back. The police who provide update on the Haitians on Tuesday evening did not say what would have been happening to the others that accompany the 29 people that are being sent back, because, as you know, it was 37 that arrived. So 29 is different from 37. So 8 people on board are probably Jamaicans, and them probably the one where run the scheme. And they probably just tell the people them, say, we did their Haiti and we are trying to reach back. And that's how we end up on the boat. But again, people, I do not like what's going on pan Wataguan. If there anyone in the world that deserve asylum for hardship or whatever ship, little ship, big ship, sinking ship, it's my brothers and sisters of the island of Haiti. And I guarantee, if it was Puerto Rican or maybe some Mexican, we would have waited a little bit longer, because there is no way that these brothers and sisters, our neighbors, had a chance to get legal representation properly to file any kind of asylum. So I'm really disappointed in Jamaica, because we had an opportunity to do right, because everyone in the Western Hemisphere has scoffed at my brothers and sisters, have turned a blind eye, and have allowed them to suffer unnecessarily. In my opinion, I think we all as a nation could have done better to assist our neighboring island and their ailments, meaning their deficiency as far as their economy. Haiti has been suffering, and it's a proud island. I'm proud to have them as neighbor, as they have shown us how to stand up, to get up and stand up and fight for our rights. Your Aganti, great warriors like Desali, your Aganti, Toujean Overture. We give thanks to our Haitian brothers and sisters and the revolution that they have done and shown us how to fight. Yaganti, fight for our right. So I'm really disappointed, Jamaica, in the decision that we have made. We not even could keep the woman, them, and the children. But I guess you have to set a firm example, because you can't allow your country to be infiltrated. You are going to, because people are waiting and watching, and it could be a mass migration if you allow certain, leniency. So, I'm just voicing my disappointment. I want you to go ahead and leave your comment in the comment, your opinion. Let me know what you think if Jamaica could have, extend the stay of our brothers and sisters. Should they have looked into some kind of, refugee status for the 37 or the 29 Haitians that came aboard there in Boston Beach? Your Aganti, just leave your comment, give me your opinion, because I think it's time now that we start lending more favorable hands, even training, providing some supplies and some kind of security force to get the stabilization of Haiti, because as the Caribbean destabilize, it creates not only violence, but it's embarrassment to see that we have brothers and sisters like Haitians, the great proud warriors and empresses, and allow the children and the elderly and the people to suffer so much, and we turn a blind eye. And we know that these people are great, and they have done so much to inspire our lives on the Western Hemisphere, and we continue to allow, advantage to be taken of our brothers and sisters. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rasta, Far Right Soldier. Leave your comment and let me know what we can do, or what you think the government could have done. Do you think they did the right thing by turning around a week, sending back these 25 Haitians back to the turmoil that we all know that's going on in Haiti? If it's your first time tuning into the Rastaman channel, family and friends, I only have one rule in the comments. Just keep it clean. You're going to, if you know what I mean. I know sometimes you're going to feel heated and you want to say what's on your mind, but just realize, hold it down. I'm more life and more joy. You're going to. Stick with me. I got a couple of stories that I'm going to be talking about. I'm going to be talking about Usain Bolt right now just received a monumental statue. You are going to. But me want my family and friends to touch the internet.